Hello, welcome to Sweet Cooking with Sophie. Today we have a special guest. This is
Jaxson.
So, today we are going to be making
Pretzel rods.
Yep, so these are pretzel rods covered in white chocolate and sprinkles. So, we need pretzel rods, white chocolate melt, candy melts, and sprinkles. And we need a pan that has parchment paper on it. So first, we have to follow the directions on our thing. Do you know how long it says?
Defrost. 30 seconds in the oven.
Microwave. So we're going to put these in the microwave for 30 seconds, stop, stir, put them in for another 15, and then just keep on putting them in for 15 seconds until they're ready. So now our white chocolate is melted. And Jaxson, what's our next step?
We need to do that. Cut them in half.
So,
I mean, you don't have to, but it's better if you cut them in half.
Yep, it's easier to dip them, especially since some bowls can be small and stuff. And it's okay, I did one like that. So now we're going to take our pretzel rod, kind of put it in, and then you can always have a spoon and just kind of do that.
Don't put all of it.
Yeah, we just kind of cover it like 3/4 of the way.
And then you take your sprinkles.
So which kind of sprinkles do you want to do? Ooh. Okay, then here, let's do it over this.
Rotate it.
There we go. So we got this one, and we're just gonna put it down on here and let it dry. And then you do the rest just like that, maybe with different sprinkles and stuff like that. So this is Sweet Cooking with Sophie with our special guest, Jaxson.
Bye.